going to finish up the labs and that you haven't done. I believe we haven't done lab 9, Charles Long. So that'll be another hopefully free easy quiz grade for you. Hopefully a free easy quiz grade.
We have not done 9.
Yeah, but that for sure.
Have you guys?
So wait, that's 1. What else?
Yeah, we're gonna watch it.
She
Hang
did.
on.
Have you
Alright,
guys-
we're gonna review. Alright, so we'll start with Quentin. Alright, welcome Jamie, as a side note. So, I said yesterday in the video, if you watch the part 2 to the video for it, because I forgot to tell you in the first part 1 for it. So, in part 2, the homework for tonight that I told them yesterday and for the classwork for it, that the homework for tonight is on page 148. It's all the questions 1 through 14 and then the problem. So hopefully you saw it yesterday and you started it yesterday. If not, you can work on it tonight. We went over the answers for questions 1 through 10 yesterday as well for it. I hope you're not distracting other people.
I'm distracting myself.
I count as me, so make sure you're not distracting me either. Alright, so Jimmy, if you want to watch the answers to it, go watch yesterday's lesson 81 part 2. Alright, so we'll start with Quentin. Alright, Quentin, what do we call the, I guess crystals is the best way to describe them. They're able, they're able to freely move in certain directions, but they retain a large degree of order. L. So they're not locked in. They still have order, but they can move around. They're like in your cells, they're in TV screens, they're in your calculator. Not all of them, but a lot of them.
Let's just start with relays.
I'll take that.
That's
Say
not
it
close
again?
enough. That's not.
LED, that's not it.
LED?
Yeah.
Nope, that's not it. Alright, we'll just go down the line just so we don't quick. Alright, Ethan.
Start with an L.
Starts with an L.
What's the second word?
Nope.
Let's just start with.
Technically it's something crystals.
The LED phospholipids crystals.
That's
Say it again?
Phospholipids.
Okay, phospholipids is an example of this. Alright,
LCD.
alright, what does that stand for?
Do I have to know to get the answer right?
Yep.
LCD. So the last word,
Okay, so it's crystal displays. What's that first word that starts with an L?
liquid crystal display.
There you go. So yeah, liquid crystals are the idea. They have structure, but they can still move around. So liquid crystal display. Alright, 14.
14. Why should leave it on 36?
Y'all do a science project or something here? Cause there's nerds all on the floor.
There's nerds out there on the walkers too.
Master clubs was in here last night.
That's also what it is, because there's nerds all over the floor.
Okay, I'll stick up in here then.
No, it was in
The hallway?
Or you can bait somebody into throwing a piece of trash.
No one owes me free labor.
Yeah, that's nice.
God. Okay, in a minute. Alright, so what is the name? Okay, so what do we call the simplest repeating unit in a crystal cell? So Chris got it, so it's back to Quentin.
I've never seen that happen.
What is the simplest repeating unit? Starts with a U. Simplest repeating unit in a crystal.
Wow.
Okay,
I'm
2
about to-
words. So unit, what's the next one? I think I might have said it by accident.
No.
This man says possible.
What is the simplest repeating unit in a crystal? Not unit crystal, it's not that obvious.
This man says phospholipids, am I correct?
Okay, if no one gets closer, I'll let you have it.
Unit cell.
Okay, well that's it, unit cell.
36.
I should
I'm
know
gonna be
this
happy
time.
with that.
Alright, Chris, what is the simplest crystal system?
What?
What's the simplest crystal system?
Some sort of
C.
crystalline. Is that right?
Okay, you're thinking of solids versus, you're thinking of types of solids.
Is this an easy question?
It's like dice.
Oh, cube.
Cubic. Alright.
Cubic center. 19.
Nope.
No, never mind. Let me go 16.
Nope.
Nope, never mind. Let me go
Never
20.
mind. Nope.
Yes.
Alright, finish it.
Shit, no, or
Alright.
16 or 20 or 19 hour boys, we narrowed it down.
Alright, so what is alright, there are 2 types that are like the most compact. I'll take the abbreviations or you can give me the real names for them.
Wait a second.
One of them
Excuse me.
No.
what? Oh no, you're thinking of covalent networks.
Wait.
Alright, I'll give you the first letter, but you have to give me the other 2 letters though.
Wait, what?
Alright, so there are 2 different types of unit cells where they have them like as most compact as possible. So one of them starts with an
Oh.
F, the other one starts with H.
Oh, yeah, I don't remember.
Where they have 12 basically atoms in one spot. Alright.
Face centered cell.
I'll take that. Face centered cubic. Do you remember what the other one is just for fun?
Hexagonal.
Hexagonal close packed. Alright.
Yeah. 7.
Alright. There. So, what state of matter has the least kinetic energy? This is a good chance to review. I know. I'm sorry.
There you go.
Not that sorry. So, yeah.
Solid.
Which one?
Solid.
Good job. Do you want the next question? Well, do you want
No.
like another question?
Yes, I
Like,
do.
you only get one
Yeah.
Wait, what was
chance to
this?
guess though. Alright, what is the one that doesn't have any ordered arrangement? What type of solid?
There was solid?
Yeah.
Let's start with man.
Yeah.
Amorphous.
Amorphous. Alright, you should only get 1 point though.
33. Thank you.
Alright, what is the other one then? Where it has that ordered arrangement where it's all
I
up?
won.
You did it.
I got you again.
Alright, Quentin.
This one.
It is good point.
20.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Make sure I look at it. I remember, I'm a good 90% sure where I put it, but I moved it around for junior high.
It's
so I
because
skipped a
me
couple
and Ethan
places.
said it.
Alright, so what do you call the forces that bind the molecules together, make one molecule stick to another molecule?
Wait, what?
What do you call the type of forces that make one molecule stick to another molecule?
What's he strong at?
I.
Chemistry.
Intermolecular forces.
Good job.
Because they have chemistry.
31.
Alright, so there are 3 different types of intermolecular forces. Which one is between all molecules, polar and nonpolar? Everyone.
Polar.
What type of intermolecular force is between
Oh,
all
London.
molecules?
London.
Yes.
I thought you were asking like which are polar number. 10. Thank you.
Alright, which one is between just the polar molecules? I mean, one's there too, but which one's also there? Starts with a D. Faculty.
Starts from A or D?
D.
Why is that straw so large?
This is a small cup. What was your question? Alright, which one is the strongest intermolecular force?
Hydrogen bond.
Hydrogen bond.
Pick 26.
Alright.
11.
Alright, what does hydrogen have to be bonded to? Which 3 elements?
O2. Oxygen.
Okay.
Fluoride.
Yep.
Other one.
What one?
Carbon and nitrogen. No, nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Good job. It's those 3 small ones.
26. Thank you.
That's why I cut it off. Because it's
I thought I was just gonna keep going.
It cuts off eventually, but it's an awkwardly long amount of time. Alright, back over to Quentin. Which one's the weakest? London.
21.
Let's see. Alright. What type? Alright. What type of shape is this?
Trigonal. Turtwig.
Pyramidal.
Pyramidal. Don't get too distracted.
It looks like turtwig.
Puppet.
Don't get too distracted.
Look,
Like
you know
what?
Piplet.
What?
Piplet. You know that?
Piplup?
It's been too long.
34.
This is a keychain. What is it?
Alright, what is this one?
No.
You're like combining 2 different terms.
Tetrahedral.
Tetrahedral.
17.
Alright. What is this one? Angular.
You dropped the model.
30.
Great job.
30?
Yeah.
Alright. What is this one?
Small.
Trigonal planar.
Good job. Oh, man.
15.
Alright. What is this one's name?
Linear.
Linear.
22. Why do we always take so long to find a number?
Alright, so
Doesn't
why
it only take us
is
like 5 seconds?
this one polar but this one not?
Because that one is unfairly liquid.
Good job. So this one is asymmetric and this one is symmetric. Okay.
28.
about the electrons are being shared.
D
Ethan,
local.
start with
What's the start with?
Start with D.
A what?
D.
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 Local. Eyes. Asian.
Good job.
4.
Alright, what do we call it whenever you draw it on the board?
Lewis structure.
Lewis structure.
29.
Alright, thinking back a little bit farther, there are 3 different types. Okay, what do we call the substances that hold the atom? No, that hold the molecule together. That holds all the atoms in together on these. There's the C.
It starts with a C.
There's a C. What do we call it that holds the atoms of a molecule together?
Oxygen.
So like oxygen to hydrogen to make water. Alright?
Where's the atoms, molecules? What did you say? I'm sorry.
What holds the atom of a molecule together?
I'm not
Just
supposed to-
starts with the C?
There's the C.
Configuration? Oh, that's right. Wait, what?
Okay, holds the atoms of a molecule together. I'm about to leave.
Atoms are
I'm about to leave too.
together. Like my dad did.
Okay, be appropriate. More jokes like that. Alright,
Chemical bond?
chemical bonds.
Ah.
Pick your number.
13.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Alright, there are 3 different types of chemical bonds. What type of chemical bond is between a non-metal to a non-metal?
Wait, so.
There are 3 different types of chemical bonds. Ionic, metallic.
Why are you acting so crackheadish today?
Yo, let's start with.
Because
No,
we are.
ionic, metallic.
Oh, wait.
Final answer?
Yes.
We
It
are
is.
American.
For non-metal to non-metal.
None of us took our medicine.
It's not good. I'm sorry.
You're going
Yeah.
2.
Let's do.
Alright, which one's between metals and metals?
Metallic.
That is metallic.
Ionic.
8.
Alright, so ionic is between what, Chris?
Non-metal to a metal.
Good job.
18.
Final answer? We're getting close, so I didn't want to making sure. Alright, which one's characterized by delocalized electrons? Nobody wants them. Metallic.
20.
Which one is characterized by the sharing of electrons?
Covalent. 24.
Why'd you put it on 9?
Because I ain't picking
It
that.
must be 9. She put the mouse on 9.
Alright, so what holds the ionic bond together? Because it's not the sharing of electrons, what makes them stick together?
Electronegativity? Let's start with.
E, but it's not that. I don't think electronegativity technically works.
Is it
I mean, you could say,
electron configuration?
okay, that's remember where you put the electrons with like 1s2, 2s2.
How many words is it?
Depending on how you say it, either 2 words, I guess.
Is it like electro something? Electrical.
Let me show you that.
Electrical. It's like electric. I know what it is. That's what's making me so mad. It's
Okay, can you
electrical
explain
current.
it a different way? Electric current?
No.
So what's happening in electric current?
So the atom, they're sharing electrons. Like the electrons are like going between this one. The electrons are working together.
Alright, you're describing covalent bond. So what holds the ionic bond together? Okay, what's an ionic bond?
The
Describe
metal
it
is
first.
giving the ion bond is non-metal to metal,
So,
and the metal is giving the non-metal electrons to.
alright, so what's gonna
sharing.
happen? Well, nope, they're not
Not
sharing
sharing.
because it's throwing it away. So what's gonna happen to the metal that throws away an electron?
It's gonna be happy.
It'll be happy. What, like thinking about it, because remember the number of protons hasn't changed, but the number of electrons has. So what charge will it develop?
Negative.
If it's throwing away an electron? Lost
I'm
one?
throwing away an electron. It'll be neutral.
Positive. And what will the non-metal become because it's gained electron?
Negative.
So if we have positive and negative, what are they gonna do?
Stick to each other.
So electric charge will hold them together. Okay, go. But you got it.
16.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the rule that says they want to try to get 8 valence electrons or double gas configuration?
Optic rule.
Optic rule.
Nope.
9.
Nope.
Final answer?
Yes.
Alright.
Ooh.
So what is, what do you call an unequal sharing of electrons in a covalent bond?
What?
unequal sharing.
Unequal sharing.
All of them.
Fuller. You're getting close.
What's the one star method?
You guys gonna vote for the no. Pick your number.
It's on the board, Ethan.
When you made that noise, why did it sound like the Jigglypuff call?
Alright, hurry, I gotta go.
5.
Final answer. Alright, so if I have a double bond, how many electrons are there? If
Huh?
I have a double bond, how many electrons?
4,
Okay, if I have a single bond, how many?
2,
If I have a
Oh,
triple
come
bond, how
on.
many? I'm looking at your
6.
Okay.
No.
27.
Final. Alright. Alright, give an example of a covalent network. C, nope. D or Q? Diamond or quartz?
Dairy Queen.
Nope.
25.
Nope.
Final answer.
Nope.
Alright. Let's see. Alright, so what letter do we use to represent there's a partial charge? What
Wait.
symbol?
What's that?
D.
What?
Okay, alright, I gotta go. I'm gonna mess around.
Wait, what's the question?
Alright, what do you call the symbol that's used to indicate a partial charge?
Skip them.
Couple seconds, I'm gonna go.
Lowercase letter.
Good job.
Ooh.
Hurry.
Just pick a number.
3.
Alright.
I'm in!
It's not there, it should be. Alright, what do we call? Alright, I'm out of questions. Alright.
So we get to get one. All
You
3.
get one.
I get a try?
Okay, you get one.
Yeah.
Choose one.
19.
Final
No.
answer.
So.
No! I was going to say that! The first one.
We're actually gonna watch a video for the rest of class, Jamie. I'll send you the link to it. So the homework, in case you didn't finish it, is the chapter 19 review. So I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link for it, Jamie. It's about understanding why is it important to believe what you believe about Genesis, which I normally show earlier in the year.
Ooh.
The whole COVID mobile thing, I had to stop it.
COVID mobile?
Yep. With the COVID, whenever we went the mobile learning, so that's the reason why.
What
So
was
it's
the
questions.
question?
Hang on, let me tell her the homework in case you missed it yesterday. Questions 1 through 14, and then the problems 1 through 3. So that was the
On what
homework
page?
for it. So again, watch the part 2 to yesterday's video if you want to